Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 2 power 20 minus 9 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So 2 power 20 we can write it as 2 power 10 whole power 2 minus 9 as 3 square. Now I'm going to use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it becomes 2 power 10 plus 3 times 2 power 10 minus 3. 2 power 10 is equals to 1024. So 1024 plus 3 times 1024 minus 3. So it becomes 1027 times 1021. 1027 we can write it as 1000 plus 27 times 1000 plus 21. Now we multiply the brackets. So 1000 times 1000 is 1000 square, plus 1000 times 21 is 21,000, plus 27 times 1000 is 27,000, and 27 times 21 is 567. So it becomes 10000, and we have to add 21,000, then 27,000, then 567. So 7658401. So final answer is 1048567. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.